would you do if you came home from work one day and you see your neighbor flagging you down, walking over to come talk to you? He hands you a business card that an IRS revenue officer gave him and says that the revenue officer, or RO, came to his door asking questions about you. Pretty infuriating and hard to believe, right? Well, it's unbelievably true. The IRS revenue officer is someone to be feared, and we're going to teach you everything you need to know about them. Welcome back to the Tax Workshop. I'm Josh Kahn with Anthem Tax. Today we're going to be discussing one of the most terrifying IRS employees, the revenue officer. Traditionally only assigned to taxpayers who owe $100,000 or more in back taxes, or to small business owners who owe payroll tax. Recently, IRS revenue officers have been taking on much smaller amounts, which means that these relentless collection cowboys are coming into town guns blazing for amounts large and small. Check this out. The IRS revenue officer is given many liberties in their collection efforts, and they don't have to follow the traditional rules that the IRS is expected to follow. While they don't get commissions on what they collect, they certainly get promotions in how effective they are in collecting. And at any given time, an RO is responsible for at least 100 or more delinquent taxpayers. And just like a bounty hunter, they're assigned to collect. They will use any harassing collection tactics to not only get your attention, but ultimately to get a taxpayer's full financials so they could squeeze out every drop in disposable income. So how do you protect yourself from these legalized strong armors? First off, you'll always know if a revenue officer is assigned. The IRS will notify the taxpayer that they are in queue for a revenue officer. What the taxpayer does next can be a crucial decision and the line of the taxpayer's defense. If the taxpayer is in queue for an RO, and that taxpayer asks for a payment arrangement, the RO assignment will be immediately expedited. That is bad news for someone who has the ability to pay. There are some tactics that can be used during the in-queue status that could massively impact the repayment. You 100% want to talk to a tax professional about that. Another way to protect yourself is to not just hand your financials over to an RO. Here at Anthem, we always recommend hiring a tax mediation specialist who will fight for all of your expenses and not just the ones typically covered by the IRS national standards. An experienced representative could be the difference between paying hundreds or thousands of dollars more a month. When dealing with an IRS revenue officer, unless you are legitimately living paycheck to paycheck, you need somebody on your side protecting your rights. Don't go at this alone. Call a tax professional or call us here. I hope you found this video helpful. For Anthem Tax, I'm Josh Kahn. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can get notified on more videos like it.